All right, everyone, let's go over fluency now. So our question for today is, the average adult upper leg measures 19 and 88 hundredth inches, and the lower leg measures 16 and 94 hundredth inches. How much longer is the upper leg than the lower leg? Woo. So you are sitting here and you're measuring two different adults' legs, and you want to know how much more is one than the other. So you're trying to find what the difference between the two are. How much larger is the one than the other? The difference between them. So if you're trying to find the difference between them, how much longer is the upper leg than the lower leg, you're looking for the answer to a subtraction problem. So, because difference means the answer to a subtraction problem. So we're going to start with our largest number on top. Our largest number is 19.88. So we are going to put our 19 and when we do this, we want to make sure that we are lining up our digits, lining up our decimals when we're doing this, because that is the most important rules to do when we are subtracting or adding decimal points or decimal numbers. And then we're going to look in the ones column to see what number goes there. And the 6 is in the ones column, so we're going to put the 6 in the same place value as the 9 because they are both in the ones column. And then we're going to put our 1 because they're both in the tens column. So we'll see how they line up. The digits are lined up with each other. The 9 is in the tenths, so is the 8. So I'm going to make sure that they line up. And then 4. Okay? And we talked about difference, meaning the answer to a subtraction problem. And I forgot to put the line there, but it will be there for you, so you have nothing to worry about drawing that. It will be there so you can drag it. And then we're going to subtract. Now the first rule before we start subtracting is to make sure we drop that decimal down. When we drop that decimal down, or you can even say it, drop it like it's hot, that's fine too, but you're going to drop it down. So you know you're staying in the correct place values. So now we can begin by subtracting. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 9, we can't do that. So we have to go next door to this 9 and borrow or take away from him. So we take away from the 9, and the 9 becomes an 8. Oops. The 9 becomes an 8. And then the 8 becomes an 18. So now we have 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So our answer is 2 and 94 hundredth inches. Okay? So here's your answer for this fluency problem. You also want to make sure you label it as inches. So I'm going to insert the text box now for you, but it's going to be there for you to type above the problem where you can put your answer in it. I want you to make sure you put your answer in this text box. So 2.94 inches. And it's going to actually, I'll outline it right now so you guys can see what it's going to look like. And we will make it green. So I will put this down in this corner so you know to put your answer in this green box, okay? So you want to make sure you do that. It's going to say insert answer here, but you're going to insert your 2 and 94 hundredth inches there, okay? So if you have any questions, please contact me. If you need help, please contact me. I am more than willing to do any of that for you guys. All right?